Russia obliterates frontline Ukraine towns by retrofitting bombs and expanding its airbase network. Associated Press. The first shockwave shattered aisles stacked almost to the ceiling with home improvement products. The next Russian bomb streaked down like a comet seconds later, unleashing flames that left the mega store an ashen shell. A third bomb failed to detonate when it landed behind the epicenter shopping complex in Kharkiv. Below are your comments. Putin's plan is to gradually level every city in Ukraine, so that everyone leaves, and then he takes all of it. If he isn't stopped by doing the same thing inside Russia, he will continue to do it until he wins. He doesn't even care about how many Russians get wasted in the process. So why does anyone think he cares about any Ukrainian? Wake up, people. He needs to be stopped by force. Biden vows to build back better with USA taxpayer money. I would believe China is manufacturing the electronics. Russia's population is going to decrease dramatically after the war. I don't believe a tenth of the news about this war. If the Russians were doing that bad, they would have packed up already. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you like it, please thumbs up.